Anypoint platform gateway, flex gateway, the differences in communication using noProxy. This diagram demonstrates the differences between communication using noProxy. noProxy in flex gateway, in anypoint platform gateway, noProxy parameter, adding noProxy parameter enables HTTP services you trust to communicate without using forward proxy. For example, when you enable noProxy, you can hit list HTTP log connections and connections to upstream services to have them connect directly to flex gateway. When using noProxy parameter in the YAML configuration file, communicate with HTTP logs, you must list the exact domain name. You cannot list the domain suffix, for example .svc.cluster.local. You need to list full domain name, logging name .svc.cluster.local for all HTTP log connections. Following diagram demonstrate the differences in communication with noProxy. In the diagram, when you do not enable noProxy, flex gateway communicates with the internal API endpoint using forward proxy. When you enable noProxy, list the API upstream domain, flex gateway communicates directly with the internal API endpoint. Here you can see user request interacts with flex gateway replica, and flex gateway replica interacts with forward proxy interacts with API endpoint, and forward proxy interacts with external networks. Here the noProxy disabled, and user request, flex gateway replica, forward proxy and API endpoint are in internal network. Here the noProxy enabled, user request interacts with flex gateway replica, and fed gateway replica interacts with endpoint. Flex gateway replica interacts with forward proxy. User request, flex gateway replica, API endpoint, and forward proxy are in internal network. Here the forward proxy interacts with external networks. This is noProxy enabled. Now this is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for watching it.